on this edition of InfoNollywood. The United States Sounds of Africa tour in Washington, D.C., featuring Two-Face Idibia. Stay tuned for the highlights. Also in this edition, P-Square's Good News. These and other news on this edition of InfoNollywood. Hello, I'm your host, Yime. Welcome to InfoNollywood. August 6th, it was a full house of musical stars at the Howard Theater in Washington, D.C., here in the United States. They were in town for the United Sounds of Africa tour. The stars included Two-Face Idibia, Jay Martins, Jazzy Jagz, Sam Clef, Brymo, and Ice Prince. InfoNollywood met up with Sam Clef and Jay Martins, and here's some of those highlights.
I know you just got out of your performance. How do you feel performing up there?
It feels good. Don't mind me, I'm tired basically, so it feels good. I'm happy about it. I think it's the first time performing DC, and they're very warm people, very receptive, very loving, you know. So I look forward to coming back over and over again, basically.
Well, we're definitely excited with Sam Clef. Sam Clef just actually got off stage. How was your performance? How were you feeling up there?
Well, I was just having fun. Basically, when I got on stage, I couldn't get the right keys, so I just have to improvise and, I have to call them like an intro. And, they were on point. They were so, it's as if they were hungry for me, so. Right. Exactly.
The crowd was definitely feeling you. I saw everybody was vibing, people were screaming.
Yeah, basically. It's me now, Sam Clef Noni.
So, is this your first time collaborating with all these artists for this tour, or have you collaborated with these artists before?
Ice Prince is my friend. I was on Molowo track with him, and I featured on his album too. Yeah. Two-Face is my uncle, it's like a mentor to me way back in Nigeria. This is like the second tour we're doing, and the first one I had was that I was mad, I killed it, and this is like the second one, and I'm happy, it's like, it's on point, so basically.
Right. So, you guys are going to a couple more cities. How are you feeling about that?
Well, I'm feeling so excited for the fact that, there's a strange land, this is not my country, but for the fact that I'm being recognized and being loved, is something unique, and it shows that I'm a real star, superstar.
I know you're going to New York next. I hear the hype is crazy for that. I know the hype was crazy for you here, but I know New York is about to be really crazy.
We're going to Toronto, New York, and Chicago, then LA, basically. It's going to be hard till it's trying, but by God, no.
Popular Afro hip-hop musical duo P-Square, also known as Peter and Paul Okoye, recently buried their mother. However, they now have reason to celebrate. One of the twins, Peter Okoye, is expecting his second child with his girlfriend, Lola Omotayo. They also have a son, Cameron. The twins also recently released a sample of their new single, Alingo. It was reportedly leaked online, which prompted the duo to share the single with their fans. There has been speculation that the duo allegedly used some of the same beats on the single as used by Tamaya on one of his songs. Both camps have yet to comment on those allegations. In other news, Omotala Jalade Akinde has been verified by Twitter. The blue check mark next to the actress's handle on Twitter is issued by the social network when a star's celebrity status has been verified as legitimate. Almost Sexy, as she's popularly known as, posed recently with her family in a portrait. She was spotted recently at the premiere of her new movie, Last Flight to Abuja. I'm sure you'll agree that they make such a beautiful family. That's it for this edition of InfoNollywood. Stay in touch with us on Twitter and Facebook. Until next time, I'm Yime, signing off.